Want to browse Reddit without signing up? Whether you are avoiding logins or just want to lurk anonymously, Reddit still gives you plenty of access if you know where to look. Stick around as we show you how to explore subreddits, read threads, and even search Reddit, no account needed. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's video, we are showing you how to use Reddit without ever creating an account. Let's get started. Method 1. Browser. If you just want to browse Reddit casually, your regular browser is often the simplest and most direct way to do it. On desktop, Reddit's desktop site is the most open, no login required for most content. Open any browser, go to www.reddit.com, browse posts, subreddits, and comments freely. On mobile browsers are trickier, but with a few tweaks, you can still access Reddit without signing in. 1. Use the old Reddit interface. Swap www.reddit.com with old.reddit.com in the URL. This loads Reddit's classic layout, which skips most login prompts. 2. Request desktop site. In your mobile browser menu, tap Request Desktop Site. Open Reddit in Chrome, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Desktop Site. A checkbox will appear. The page will reload in desktop mode. This forces Reddit to behave like it does on a computer. 3. Use a privacy-focused browser. Try Firefox, Brave, or DuckDuckGo. These browsers often block Reddit's app redirects and overlays. Download and install your chosen browser from the Play Store or App Store. Open the browser and navigate to www.reddit.com or old.reddit.com. These browsers often block Reddit's login overlays, allowing you to scroll and read freely. Method 2. Use search engines to find Reddit threads. Want to jump straight into a specific discussion? Search engines are your best friend. Go to Google or any search engine, type your query, click on the Reddit links in the results to bypass login walls. Method 3. Use third-party Reddit apps. Some independent Reddit clients still allow anonymous access, especially on Android. Try apps like RedReader, Infinity for Reddit, or Sync for Reddit. These offer lightweight, customizable browsing without requiring login. Limitations of not having an account. Without an account, you are essentially a lurker and cannot participate in the community. Here are the limitations of not having a Reddit account. You cannot post new content or start discussions. You cannot comment on existing posts. You cannot upvote or downvote posts and comments. You cannot subscribe to subreddits for a personalized feed. You cannot use Reddit's chat or private messaging features. You cannot access moderator tools or manage subreddit settings. You may encounter occasional pop-ups prompting you to log in, especially on mobile. And that's it. Now you can browse Reddit freely, no login required. If this helped you stay anonymous online, give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick, reliable tech guides. Know what trick we missed or still running into limits? Drop it in the comments. Let's help each other unlock the web, one tip at a time.